Hey drummers, how's it going? It's Alex once again, bringing some more fun-free drumming ideas. I thought for this week we'd do a nice little tom groove for two reasons. We haven't done a tom groove in a while and they're always quite fun to play. And number two, doing a bit of Right to My Band, and this is a cool little groove I came up, 4 on the floor, 16th notes with the hands, but nicely orchestrated with some accents in there. And it sounds pretty sweet. So if you like what you saw in the intro and you want to give this one a crack, stick around and I'll break her down. Here we go. Okay, so for this one we've got 2 measures, so I do love a good 2-bar loop. Hands up on the toms, we're going to sort of play quite quietly on the toms. We're going to have the bass drum pumping on beat 1, beat 2, beat 3 and beat 4, so 4 on the floor. And then with the first sort of like 2 beats, we're going to play an accent on with our right hand on beat 1, with our left hand on the E, the of beat 1, and then on the and of beat 2. And then we're going to bring, but then the rest of them are going to be kind of quiet, and then we're going to bring our right hand over to the snare drum for beat 4. So you get this 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 4 E and a. Now a lot of the time I'd recommend getting the hi-hat going chick 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 chick, because that sounds pretty cool. But we're going to use it and we want to keep it nice and tight, so we're not going to worry about that for this lesson. All we are going to do is on the of beat 3, we're going to chuck our left hand over there. So we're going to get this 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a. And that sounds pretty cool, especially when we start speeding it up. So yeah, tell you what, let's just pop up there. It's going to be measure 1 done, and then measure 2 is pretty easy to get down. So yeah, let's pop up there, and we'll just go through this a couple of different speeds. Here we go. Nice and slow. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I'm just bringing my left hand down on the up beat 4 to the floor tom, so just get that nice little round the kit sort of sound. A little bit quicker. If you had that left foot going up and down, it would sound a bit like this. So that is an option and it sounds pretty cool. Full speed. Alright, so as you can see with measure 1, it's absolutely crucial we get those accents down. So remember, keep it nice and light on the toms, and then flick those wrists on beat 1, the up beat 1, and then the and a beat 2. So every 3 notes. If you can get those to pop out, let those toms sing, you're going to get a nice bit of interplay between those accents and then the kick drum. And then when you bring that hi-hat just before the snare, I like it, sounds pretty cool. Moving on to measure 2, it starts off exactly the same as the first bar. The only difference is we're just going to bring our left hand down on the upbeat 2 to the floor tom, so you're going to get this. And then from there, we're up to beat 3 now. We're going to play 3 E and a 4 E and so we've got 8 notes. It's going to go hi-hat, floor tom, hi-hat, so that's beat 3, 3 E and got to get a kick on that first note. 3 E and then from beat 4 onwards, we're going to go 4 E and so it's going to be snare and kick, hi-hat with the left, and then right left on the floor tom. So 3 E and a 4 E and 3 E and a 4 E and All right, so we take all the bits of measure 2 and stick them together. We should get down on this. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and a little bit quicker. And that sounds pretty cool on its own, but I like to break it up because it's quite busy between the floor tom and the hi-hat, so I thought if we break it up every couple of bars, it still sounds cool, but we're not overkilling it. Cool, so once you've got that down, all we've got to do now is stick measure 1 and 2 back to back. So if we go to the beginning, 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 Alright, so there's only one more thing left to do. I'll pop up there, play at a few different speeds, and then I'll come and say goodbye. So, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Go a bit quicker. 1, 2, 3. Alright drummers, so there it is. I hope you enjoyed that lesson. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to check the description below for links to the sheet music at onlinedrummer.com, various ebooks and quick start guides playing drums, my Patreon page if you want to come and support the channel, and then there's also Facebook and Twitter if you just want to come and say hello. So until next time, take care, keep drumming, and I'll see you next Thursday for some more fun free drumming ideas. Alright, see you later.